Many people think becoming rich is about luck or winning the lottery. But the real problem is financial habits. Today we'll break down the 3 financial mistakes that keep most people broke. Each one costs more than you think. The first mistake is spending more than you earn. This is the foundation of being poor, even with a good income. People buy things they don't need just to keep up with friends or trends. Every unnecessary purchase adds up fast. Today I spent $15 on coffee and snacks. It seems small, right? But this happens daily. Small expenses pile up. Over a month, $15 a day becomes $450. Over a year, that's over $5,000. The second mistake is not saving or investing early. People wait for the perfect moment, but it rarely comes. I'll start saving next month. Next month never comes. Time is the most powerful factor in growing wealth. Even saving a small amount regularly is more powerful than saving a large sum later. Compound interest turns small early investments into significant wealth over years. The third mistake is using debt for consumption. Credit cards, loans, and unnecessary financing slowly trap people. I bought a $500 gadget on credit. You pay interest, sometimes hundreds extra, for the same item. Avoid unnecessary debt. Only borrow to invest or for items that create income. Spending more than you earn destroys financial freedom. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and spend intentionally. Start saving or investing early, even with just $5 a day. Small amounts grow significantly over time. Debt for consumption is dangerous. Plan purchases carefully and avoid paying interest unnecessarily. Daily examples make it real. Coffee, subscriptions, and impulse buys add up faster than most people think. Your money can either disappear or grow, depending on the choices you make every day. Track your money, save early, and avoid unnecessary debt. These habits are the foundation of building wealth. Every small decision matters. Consistency in good habits is more powerful than a single big action. Start today. Even tiny changes, repeated consistently, can have a huge impact on your financial future. Understanding these 3 mistakes is the first step toward taking control of your finances. Spend intentionally, save regularly, and borrow only wisely. These habits separate the rich from the poor. Remember, small daily choices compound into massive financial consequences over months and years. Take control of your money today. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be on the path to financial freedom. Most people don't even realize where their money goes every month. They just feel broke without understanding why. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing almost nothing left before the end of the month. This happens not because you don't earn enough, but because of how you manage what you earn. Small habits repeat daily, and over time, they shape your entire financial life. Another common mistake is ignoring your finances completely. No tracking, no planning, no control. If you don't control your money will control you. Think about it. Do you actually know how much you spent last week? Most people don't. And that's exactly the problem. Awareness is the first step to change. You can't fix what you don't see. Start by tracking every expense, even the small ones. You'll quickly notice patterns you didn't expect. Maybe it's food, maybe subscriptions, maybe random online shopping. Another mistake is trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. People spend money on clothes, gadgets, and lifestyle just to impress others. But real wealth is not about what you show. It's about what you keep. Rich people focus on assets. Poor people focus on appearances. One builds long-term wealth. The other builds short-term image. Ask yourself, are you buying this for yourself or to impress someone else? This simple question can save you thousands over time. Another hidden mistake is not increasing your income. Cutting expenses is important, but there's a limit to how much you can save. But there's no limit to how much you can earn. Learn new skills. Find new opportunities. Increase your value. The more value you provide, the more money you can earn. Combine higher income with smart habits, and your financial life starts to change fast. Many people stay in the same financial position for years because they never change their habits. They earn more, but they also spend more. This is called lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, your expenses shouldn't increase at the same rate. Instead, the extra money should go into savings or investments. Another mistake is relying on a single source of income. If that one source disappears, your entire financial life collapses. Building multiple income streams creates stability and security. Even a small side income can make a big difference over time. It's not about working more, it's about earning smarter. People also underestimate the power of patience. Wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Many give up too early because they don't see quick results. But consistency always beats intensity in the long run. Small actions repeated daily lead to big outcomes. Another mistake is following bad advice from the wrong people. Not everyone giving financial advice is actually successful. Always learn from people who have real results. Information is everywhere, but wisdom is rare. Choose carefully who you listen to. Your environment influences your financial decisions more than you think. Surround yourself with people who think about growth and improvement. Negative habits spread fast, but so do positive ones. If everyone around you spends carelessly, you will too. If everyone invests and plans, you will start doing the same. Your circle shapes your financial future. In the end, being broke is rarely about income. It's about habits and decisions. Avoid these mistakes, and you already put yourself ahead of most people. Focus on spending wisely, saving early, and growing your income. Stay consistent, stay aware, and keep improving your financial habits. Do this, and over time, you won't just stop being broke, you'll start building real wealth.